So this is happening. All right guys, quick video. I'm gonna go over how I put air horns, cheap Amazon air horns on my 63 Continental. Stay tuned. Real quick, I already took the air tank out. This rusty turd that was up in here, that's gone now. Mounted up in there. So I'm gonna make some brackets to mount the air pump, and then a bracket to mount the horns. All right, so I already had this piece of scrap metal laying around in my little scrap bin here. Got random pieces of scrap. So for work, I'll drill a couple holes in it, bend it up. It'll be good. I'll mount the motor to it.
Step it, because it smooths it up real nice. A couple holes here.
Sometimes it smooths it out. Sometimes it doesn't. Take the old grinder to her. Alright, so here's the horn. There's the bracket. There's the nut. Let's get a washer for that. It's cheap. I think it was 19 bucks. Maybe. I'll put the listing to Amazon in the description. I'm gonna go real sloppy. Let's do some cobalt channel locks. I got a car show to go to. I got time to do this right way. All right, just so it kind of hangs a little bit, let's put a couple bends in her with my my Irwin brake, metal brake I got here. Oh man, look at that. Doesn't that look professional or what? All right, let's go put it on. All right, so we're gonna mount the horn. It's gonna go up there. So there's the terminals on the bottom. Positives on the right, negatives on the left. That's the air outlet, goes to a T, goes to the two horns. I think it's going to work. I guess we'll see what waterproof it is. I don't plan on driving this in the rain, but never know. All right, I think that will work. It's a little floppy. I don't think it'll work. All right, let's go make a bracket for the horns. Got these, just two of them. Here's the tie gun. Here's the nuts and bolts. All right, guys, we're gonna get a little sloppy. I'm in a hurry. So we're gonna make, like I said, this is gonna go quick. I'm gonna use some scrap metal to mount these two horns. And then we're gonna use this to mount the horns. It's sloppy. All right, got her smoothed up. Let's drill some holes for the horns.
Looks pretty good. Cut the burrs off. It's not working like I planned. I think it'll still work. I put horns like this together before. It's sketchy. You drill holes wider apart.
All right, scratch the circle idea, or we're going to more scrap.
Plastic cover came off. What the hell, Amazon? 18 bucks is enough for quality parts? So mark that with my finger. Pull it out. Trim everything off.
Make the hole bigger.
We made a bracket. What do you think? Brr. All right, where's there another bolt? Like, should take the other one out? I don't know if the hose is that long. Guess we can take that one out, huh? It's a little rusty. Spray some W40 in there. Back a little bit everywhere, couldn't hurt, right? You guys, I used all the existing holes. I don't have to drill any new ones. What do you think? That's pretty rigid. I like it. All right, the hose on the pump. And from my experience, I didn't put zip ties or hose clamps or anything on. They were pretty stout. It's kind of hard getting that hose in that pump there. All right, it's on there pretty good. Let's trim this, what do you think? Trim that right there. I'll trim this in half. Got the Y on. It's kind of hard getting that tubing over the fitting. It would help if you heated it up just a little bit with like a lighter or something. That'll get the stretch, but not too much because you melt it. I do this with the tire still in the car. All right. All right, guys, so that concludes our one-day build. We're done. So I put a new fuse in the panel. If you're putting it in your car, if you're not sure about the wiring, it does come with a relay. So you should use that. And here's the relay. So this takes power from your battery, sends it straight to the horn, whatever device you have. I wired my car up. It already has a relay, already has a 30 amp fuse. It's good to go. So let's test it. Are you ready? I love it! All right, shit. That's awesome. All right, so we're gonna get the car back on the ground. I'm gonna calibrate the Acura and take it for a drive. Okay, so that concludes this episode of Fix It Fab. More works great. Thanks for watching.